Hey, my people. Femi Adebayo wife don't cry, come outside, say, Olaitan Sugar get secret child for my husband. Say, Olaitan Sugar, leave my husband alone, no, leave my husband alone. Because Olaitan Sugar don't run, go Canada, go born the child for Canada, so that everybody no go know, say, he get newborn baby for Femi Adebayo. He won. Olaitan Sugar say, you must not come to Nigeria. Say, if you come Nigeria, Hi guys, welcome back to another odd gist, guys. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video, guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any updates about the celebrities. And don't also forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video, guys. Those of you now when I don't know Femi Adebayo. Femi Adebayo na Yoruba actor. Those of you now when I don't know Olaitan. Olaitan na also Yoruba actress. My people, news they go around that time say Olaitan and Femi Adebayo say they marry. So ever since then, Olaitan don't come off for Nigeria because ever since when we say Femi Adebayo wife talk say Olaitan leave my husband anywhere where I foresee you go hear am out for my hand. Olaitan run come off for Nigeria, come run go Canada, come go dey stay. Because she not there for Nigeria since then, she no gree come back to Nigeria. So news come dey reach our side say, why Olaitan no come Nigeria? Be say, where you wan come for Nigeria? Be say, she get belle and she can't go born am for Canada. Say she born, she dey keep the child secret. And Femi Adebayo, your wife, say she no go gree how Olaitan Sugar go born another child for her husband, for her own husband. Say e no possible. This one are the husband will be say they gather marry. Why Femi Adebayo go marry for back? Will be say he go marry for back. He go do wedding with another woman. Say Femi Adebayo, whether na so Femi Adebayo can't take promise her. Say the child where Olaitan get for Femi Adebayo for Canada where he run go. Say that child not be for Femi Adebayo, whether na another movie producer na him give her the belle. We thought say na Femi Adebayo. But before they marry, Olaitan Sugar no fair get belle. But after they marry, 1 month after, we be say Femi Adebayo no, we be say they do the secret traditional wedding, although not be court wedding, not traditional. And traditional wedding for Nigeria, whether you don't fair marry before, you go fit do traditional wedding, they will fit pay your bride price. That one know me. And Femi Adebayo na Muslim. Femi Adebayo wife, you need to understand. You take her from person. Adebayo, Femi Adebayo don't fair born before you come meet him. Definitely, you know say this man a Muslim. They say can we that they flog senior wife, they go see his and flog junior wife. So if Femi Adebayo marry, as long as say he no carry the woman come meet you for inside that house, as long as say the child, you know, carry and come meet you. You don't need to dey cry on social media. You don't need to dey talk, say, they no born Olaitan will make it come Nigeria. When Femi Adebayo marry you, the ex-wife of Femi Adebayo come meet you, say, they no born you will make, they no born Femi Adebayo will make you carry you come house. But the house where Femi Adebayo build, now you they stay inside. Now you stretch your legs, stay inside. And Femi Adebayo fair don't get children. Not be one. He don't forget to. He pass one. And you yourself, you still born one boy for him. So Olaitan Sugar, they thought say he get secret child, but you know they put them for social media because you know what make people they carry the picture of the baby up and down. Because anything we don't enter social media na scatter, now they scatter. Because Olaitan Sugar guys say now because of corona, I make never come Nigeria. Say no flight, but flights don't dey now. Many people don't travel. Ever since we don't come out, he don't come out for Nigeria now. He don't pass 1 year. And they say if they train a child from there, now make can never come Nigeria because Femi Adebayo say make he never come. He get the way of Femi Adebayo they go to the Siam just to protect the child. Me anything no happen to the child. And Femi Adebayo wife say he must not see Olaitan Sugar left for Nigeria. Make he just did that Canada there with the newborn baby where she born. Now so he say he no go green, no be that ass, no be go carry and come. Say Femi Adebayo na for only she, no be for any other woman. So all those way people they talk say Femi Adebayo he marry na for their own pocket. But Adebayo, Femi Adebayo father now, no be one wife he gets. He get many wife. And Femi Adebayo family, they know the family, you know, say for they not be one wife that they marry. They feel married 2 wives. And you yourself, you not be the first wife. So all this noise where you they make, because you say you suffer follow Femi Adebayo, why Femi Adebayo go do like that? Real woman wey suffer follow Femi Adebayo, you no cry the way you they cry. The real person wey suffer follow Femi Adebayo, you no cry the way you they cry. That one just to leave the man for you, you they enjoy him. Now so Allah touch you guys, say you self collect am for person hand. O leg bani. That one self consequence say okay, no dey let you go chop am because you yourself take am. And now some other person they come for the back of Olaitan Sugar. Yes, so now some other person they come for the back of Olaitan Sugar. And if another one come, you no go complain. As long as say Femi Adebayo get the money to take care of her. Because you see say Femi Adebayo don't fair marry, don't fair born before you took your head. Definitely he go marry join you. Definitely go marry join you. Me, I no support say me women they snatch another woman husband. E no good. But if the man don't fair marry, we be say you yourself now snatch, you snatch him. You yourself now sneak enter, now you sneak enter. And your own hand no clean. Definitely another person say must snitch enter now. Another person must hide enter. Another person must chop inside. Not only you go chop the food. Because the food don't become everybody food like that. As long as say you meet person for jail. You don't fair born before you go marry him. And Olaitan Sugar say Femi Adebayo yourself. You don't fair marry before he marry you. Now he make she self can't get mine. Say okay, since we be say you collect her from person. Yeah, me too, I will collect her for your hand. And you know, and Olaitan Sugar say she no one can stay with you for inside and say ask where Femi Adebayo build. Make you day inside. But Femi Adebayo go still build her own. But she never ready to come Nigeria. Not be because say you dey threat say if you see am now so you go do this one to her, now so you go do that one to her. Because Olaitan Sugar self get mad for Nigeria. She self na actress and your husband na actor. Yes. So all those way they thought say you go do to them. She say if she don't ready to come stay Nigeria, the way Femi Adebayo take beat her so you know so she go take now so you go take beat for him. And Femi Adebayo, Olaitan Sugar now, she said she just want train her child for now for Canada because she no need all the social media noise. Now me can keep my secret. When they want marry Olaitan Sugar secret, where they want go pay Olaitan Sugar bride price. Femi Adebayo papa they dear. They support their son. And again, you know from the beginning, the man where you want marry say you don't fair born before. And you know so this kind of man will be say, if you do this one to his first wife, where you stand with him, those the way they say you stop and follow Femi Adebayo. Femi Adebayo na actor, don't make him money before you come. Everybody know that one. The only person where if you can't talk Femi Adebayo story na his first wife, no be you. No be you, na the first wife, now if you can't talk Femi Adebayo story. Because everybody don't know Femi Adebayo. The first marriage wey Femi Adebayo fair do, no be big wedding because money not too dey then. But the one wey do with you na big one because money don't dey before he marry you. So all those way they talk say na you suffer follow Femi Adebayo. Femi Adebayo no get right to marry another woman. You no get right to do this one. Only if you be the first wife, now you get right to talk that one. But if you not be the first wife, when you be second wife, you no get right to talk am. You no get right to talk am. Only if the man never married another woman before. Because they thought to Femi Adebayo don't fair marry before. You don't even pay the woman bride price. They do wedding. What we say father said, weakness am. And this one way they thought not be say now just for normal baby mama say they're not there together. I only get belly for him. He born, he come out. No. They say they married, they stay together for the same house before you come. And the marriage now the woman not feel be he come out. So you can't sit down inside. You won't come to say, okay, me another one no enter. You need to be out. Either make you stay. Make you stay. Make Femi Adebayo they eat for the two places. You go eat for your side. Go see eat for Olaitan Sugar side. Or if you say you won't go, me I no advice make you go. Because you know go just be say you won't come up for husband house because of Olaitan Sugar. Because if you go, Olaitan Sugar will come occupy that place where you won't come out. May you just know. May you just borrow yourself brain. Because if you come out, Olaitan Sugar will come sit down for your position. So I go advise you. As long as say Femi Adebayo they do the right thing, you know they stress for anything. Now you did the house where Femi Adebayo build, your child they go school, you get your own business, just concentrate on that one. Because if you, because of Olaitan Sugar, carry your back comot, as you they go help, they go just sweep that leg like this, they will just carry your Olaitan Sugar bag, come put for that same house. So I go just advise make you no go, because you don't know the kind man where Femi Adebayo be. So my people, as I hear this matter, now I thought make I carry a share am with una. Let me know what you think for the comment section, and if you never subscribe, subscribe so that una not go miss any celebrity gist where I they upload. Bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.